All right, cross body curls. For this one, you're gonna start with the weights by your side like this, and you're just gonna bring them up to your chest level in front of you. All right, so with the weights, hold them by your sides, and you're just bringing it up to your pec. Again, you want to make sure only your elbow joint is in movement, okay? You don't want to be like bending and flailing everywhere, shooting that weight up. Find a weight you're comfortable with, chest out. Focus on your bicep as you lift the weight up to your chest. That's it for cross body curls.